Oh my God. Damn, I didn't know he could jump like that. Look, they playing defense now. Oh! Oh my God. Hey, YouTube, we got the G League and night game with Iowa Wolves. It's the Timberwolves G League team. Oh yeah, we got some great seats too though. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all right now.
5 from James Madison, number 14, Matt Lewis. At guard, 6'3" from Dallas, Texas, number 17, Emmanuel Mudiay. At center, 6'11" from Dayton, number 36, Jordy Chamunga. At forward, 6'8" from Memphis, number 8, Josh Mina. And at forward, 6'4" from Marquette, number 12, DJ Gardner. Head coach for Iowa Wolves is Jeff Newton.
Not playing. That was a weak intro too.
Download Center, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right about now, we need everybody out of your seats and on your feet. We need you to get as loud as you can. It's about to go down. Help me count it down. It's 6, 5, 4, 3, live from Henderson, Nevada. It is time to shout the system.
Okay. Let's see what they got.
Till I get to the top. 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 Work hard till I get to the top. Till I get to the top. I keep on working till I get to the top. Yeah, I keep on working till I get to the top. Let's go. I keep on working till I get to the top. Can't stop, won't stop. I keep on working till I get to the top. With the steel, hello. Till I get to the top. Can't stop, won't stop. So something that this fire terrorist brand. I keep on working till I get to the top. Work hard till I get to the top. And now, let's meet the starting lineup for your NBA G League Ignite. At guard, 6'4" from Hendersonville, Tennessee, number 23, Joe.
Damn, I ain't know John
Jenkins.
Jenkins was on the team. That's crazy. I used to play with
At guard, 6'6" from Paris, France, number 25, CJ Soko. At center, 6'10" from Alpine, Utah, number 12, Aaron Mika. At forward, 6'11" from Scarborough, Canada, number 11, Leonard Miller. And at guard, he's 6'2", from Marietta, Georgia, number 0, Scoot Henderson. Head coach for your event is Jason Hart.
low, a little more bounce.
CD Sissoko with the Nevada State pick, Doug.
I say he feeling it.
At the basket by Scoot Henderson.
Great pass and cut.
That was on 36, Jordy Shmaga. First personal, first team foul. At the line, Scoot Henderson shooting 1 for 1.
Thought he was gonna punch it. That's first.
That was on 11, Leonard Miller, his first personal, first team foul.
7-8.
Eric Mika.
Late pass.
Entering the game for the Ignite, number 35, Larry Noko, replacing Eric Mika. Also in for the Ignite, number 7, Mojave King, replacing CD Sissoko.
Pierre Johnson and them ain't coaches. That would've been tough.
G-Kids with a dollar lottery.
That's what he did in the real league too. He is tough.
Josh Minot.
Great pass.
Larry Noko with the Nevada State pick, Doug.
Not just shooting.
Mojave King. Timeout, Iowa.
We should have finished that layup.
Foul charges 16, and Jordan Bohannon, his first personal, fourth team foul. Returning for Iowa, number 17, Emmanuel
Sharif
Mudiay.
ain't playing.
Replacing Bohannon. At the line, Leonard Johnson shooting 1 for 2.
Or yes, he is. I thought he was in street clothes. I think he is playing.
That's our 2-1.
Top box out 35. 35 to look like the same time. Dang, G League, I didn't know they got these boy got blue right past.
Oh, taking a call. Credit. Basket to Cameron Young.
Take his time. They got him the low top class.
Emmanuel Mudiay. Three-point basket, Brady Randall.
Oh, he had that back door open.
That was his first personal, first team foul. Returning for with the Nevada State Fair.
Oh, they putting that bucket back in, but not a bucket. Damn, come on, Fred. Should have passed that to John. Good block. Come on, Craig. He got a baby on him. You gotta do that. Moving screen.
Offensive foul charge to Dwyer Mika. His second personal.
When they gonna put my dog Sharif in? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Good float. think it was in G League. He was going. He had a game. He went off for like 36. But I'm not sure if that was in college or something. But ooh, I don't like those type of fouls. So Craig Randall got fouled on a 3-point shot, and they still shoot 1 free throw for 3 points. That's crazy. I never knew that. Never knew that only shot 1 free throw for the total amount of points.
Also, let me go for his second personal. 14 foul.
He was knocking down threes in pre-range.
Third personal, third team foul. Number 16, Jordan Bohannon.
Got 3 fouls. I didn't even hear how many fouls he said he had. Damn, man, you can't make no free throws. Another one? Hey, I thought he was still gonna try to dunk it. He got that high, he could have still did so.
Timeout, Iowa.
Good defense.
Henderson.
Randall.
Shitu. Replacing Jamonte.
Yeah, Shimon locked in right now. That's good. That should have been 5 seconds, I think. That's great defense. Oh, that's ooh.
Almost Shitu. He is third personal 15th foul.
Dang.
At the line, C.D. Sissoko shooting 1 for 2.
That's crazy. Oh, I wish they would have shot the replay again. See, look, 45-40. It just went up 47-40. Each free throw would be either 2 or 1 each every time. My sister got they posted. Go at him.
2 minutes.
He is
Josh
tough.
Mina.
That's a tough bucket.
Down the basket. Foul charge to 8. Josh Minot, his second personal. At the line, Scoot Henderson shooting 1 for 1.
I ain't turned the camera, my bad. I turned my head, but not the camera. That's funny. That's just supposed to move at the same time. Gotta go at him, Moutier. Gotta go at him, Moutier. It's a big man out here. Even I'm feeling he gotta go at him. 55 seconds
That's like
left.
EJ Carter, his first personal. At the line, Cameron Young shooting 1 for 2.
They down by 10. He a shooter, but he just ain't in them right now. He getting good shots too.
At the line, Cameron Young shooting 1 for 1.
Second half, let's go.
The second half is presented by Michael Zawa. Protect the stronghold.
I was expecting Luka Garza tonight. He probably played last night though. Look at that, bro. He got 16, 18 of the 50 points. I want to see somebody get dunked on a crossover or something like that. Right down, Toya, G League Ignite up. Flamethrower. They got on the LaMelos too. That was funny. Ignite up 14.
Offensive foul charge against Travis Minot. His third personal. Henderson. That was Steve Henderson, his third personal. First team foul.
What the hell Scoop mad about?
At the line, DJ Clark shooting 1 for 2.
Oh my God! Damn, I didn't know he could jump like that. Look, they playing defense now. Oh! Ooh!
Timeouts, Ignite.
Ooh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's how they feel? That's how they feel? Oh my God. Oh my God. They is calling some horrible fouls. That's a bad call, ref.
136, Jordan Schwarber.
That's a bad call.
Second team foul. Chicken.
They need to take out number 14 and keep out number 16. They need to put Craig Randall in. That's a good pass, 14. My bad. My bad, big dog. They only got 3 for on the bench, huh? That's a good play.
Gordon.
Damn.
With a guard, left center, Curry.
Good pass. That could have been a foul, but he kind of was out of control. That's a good block. Oh, Carden bleeding. Jenkins? God. Smack him down. Got two in a row. Iowa would need to stop. They need to go on the run if they want to win. Good shot, Menard. Nope, short.
Returning for tonight, number 1, Cameron Young. Replacing Leonard Miller.
About to get out of hand. They're already up 17. And one.
Down to the basket, Craig Randall.
15. They need a stop. Y'all need stops. I wish I had got. I was out there shooting a half-court shot. I would have hit that half-court shot.
Now charge to center Mojave King his first personal. Second team foul.
Damn! He said he blocked out with his elbow. That boy got bunnies.
13 foul. Gretchen, second team foul. On the line, Scoot Henderson shooting 1 for 2.
Come on, Craig. Good pass, boy. They need stops, though. That's a foul. What the fuck? That one. That's crazy.
Yeah, the basket by Randall.
Look at that foul, and they didn't call that.
That.
They did not call that a foul. That's crazy.
Returning for the night, number 2, London Johnson, replacing Scoot Henderson. At the line, Josh Lynott shooting 1 for 1.
I need Cook and Willer to go crazy. Cook been tripping. Oh, that's tough. That's tough. That should have been an and one.
Timeout ignite.
Uh-oh. They down 9. It was just down 17. 2 minutes left of the third quarter. Martin had a dream. Kendrick had a dream. The freestyle. All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind or die from leg shot. I pray my get big as the Eiffel Tower. So I can the world for 72 hours.
Third team foul.
They
First.
could have just they could have let that play.
Mohamed King at the line, shooting 1 for 2.
I like them Kobe's. That was great defense. His hand was right on the ball. Attack. That one. Oh.
Mohamed King's second personal, second within 2. Red line shooting 1 for 2.
Them shirts is really cold though. I want one. I'm gonna try to see if I can get one from one of the players.
Leonard Miller.
I'm texting on this damn phone. My bad. Missed the bucket.
Emmanuel Mudiay.
Take our boy out the game. I really want his 12.
Third and team foul. Returning for the Ignite, number 0, Scoop Henderson, replacing Boo Jeter. Emmanuel Mudiay at the line, shooting 1 for 2.
Missed the free throw. Okay, old boy got a steal. Okay, never mind. He can do something.
Timeout 8.
Uh-oh. Really got bounced though. Like he got a high with old dude. He just couldn't block it.
Second personal 13 foul.
No, they supposed to be Craig up in there.
For the Wolves. At the line, Sissoko shooting 1 for 1.
said he tired of this shit. But I don't see Wheeler on the paper either, so I think they just picked them players up type stuff. Oh, that was a good. My bad.
Johnson, Quentin Dollar, low center, 3.
They up 13. If Iowa plan on winning, they gotta get some stops. They should have just let big man go up with that. It was a guard in the paint. That's like some Ben Simmons stuff right there.
Fouls on Eric Mizka, his 4th personal, 5th team foul. At the line, Emmanuel Moutier, shooting 1 for 2.
Yeah, this guy know all about it. He didn't tell me that. He's like, don't worry about
Take out all they big men.
Foul charge to Matt Lewis.
Put back
His
in
second
36
personal,
and
4th
24
team
and
foul.
23. I don't think Josh Minot strong enough for 12. He got the length. Other sideline. 12 don't catch a body. Well, with number 8. They down 16. Oh, he got 30. I think he got 30 or yeah, he got 31. 9 rebounds. Great pass. They ain't gonna be able to win if they can't get no stop. Oh, I thought he was gonna bank it.
Now charge to Leonard Miller, his 2nd personal. Returning for Iowa, number 24, Simi Shittu. Replacing Lewis. At the line, Moutier, shooting 1 for 2.
They need a bucket right here. don't hit like 2 or 3 before the game, then I believe it. Unless it's just something he ain't doing right. He ain't shooting right. Good defense. Great defense. They down 12, 2 minutes, 35 seconds left. Back over there.
Senior shooter. Timeout Ignite.
I'm gonna really try to see if I can get this in the players. That's tough.
Yeah.
That might be game over. Might be. I think it is. They down 8 with 50 seconds left. Damn. They down 6. 40 seconds left. He got 35 and 10.
That's back by Josh Minor.
Oh, my flash ain't on. Oh, God, you can't see my flash is on.
Count the basket to Leonard Miller.
That's game over.
Reset to timeout Iowa.
He thought he was slick with it too. That's funny. He was that slick as hell.
Calzon Senior shooting his 6th personal. Javante Cook in for Iowa, replacing Jacob. At the line, Scoot Henderson, shooting 2.
Oh, but I guess now they shoot too. If it's, I don't know. This shit, they lose weird.
Josh
Damn.
Minor.
Game over, but oh my God. Alright, YouTube, we up out of here. Finna head back to the crib. Edit these videos and stuff. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you, sir. Like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, like and subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna have some more videos coming real soon. I'm gonna try to get some tickets to NBA game, college football. But already did girls college basketball. Try to get some UNLV men games and stuff too. But yeah, even Oh yeah, even try to get a Raider game when football season start back up. But till then, you feel me? We just finna be consistent and dropping these and stuff. Like I say, hopefully y'all like this video. Yeah, subscribe and drop a comment. What was your favorite highlight of the game, the favorite moment of the game and stuff, you know? And yeah, shoot. Just keep rocking with your boy till I drop some more videos and stuff. I'll see y'all later. Love y'all. Shout out to all my subscribers who've been subscribing, who've been subscribed since day one and everything, and people who continue to watch it. May y'all continue to do so. We just grow as a family, as a clan, gang, you feel me? And yeah, just keep going up. We're gonna get to these, gonna get to this 1,000 subscribers, and then after that 1,000, we're gonna go 10,000, 25K, then 50K, 75K, then 100K. You feel me? And then after that, it's just gonna keep going up from there. But hey, I'm doing too much talking because I'm walking to this car. I parked far because I wasn't finna pay no $15 for no damn parking. And that shit wasn't even packed. But I had a good time. For sure, for sure. I need